something. Welcome back to my craft room. Today we're going to be making the first Christmas card of the series. It's going to be a little bit simple, but here's what I'll be using. The Misty stamping tool, white card base, gold layering, another piece of white, some stars, and celebrate the season, distress oxide in barn door, distress ink in what is that, rustic wilderness, Versamark clear ink, gold embossing powder, blending tool, some glue and tape runner, and some gold sequins. So here we're going to start with the white card front, and we're going to add barn door distress oxide to it all over the front with very firm pressure to get it very saturated. Okay, after that, I'm going to spritz some water on it and then blot it off with the towel so we get that kind of distress oxide look. It reacts with water, and then we're going to heat the paper heat set that, and it's a little bit warped, but that's okay. We'll straighten that out with the tape runner. Then we're going to sponge on some rustic wilderness distress ink around the edges of the card. And dry that again. Now we're going to take our celebrate the season stamp, and we're going to ink that up with Versamark clear ink and press that down into the cardstock and do it again. Really saturate that. Now we're going to take some gold embossing powder, sprinkle it over the Versamark, and give it a second coat. And you see there, I didn't get a good stamp with the Versamark the first time, so I have to go over it again. Good thing I left the stamps in the Misty, and reposition that back in the corner. Pick up the stamp, and there we go. Much better. Put my embossing powder back in the container, and we're going to use a tape runner in the back, and we're going to put that on the gold layering and press that down. And we're going to use the tape runner again and attach it to the white card base. Press that down. Then we're going to take the star stickers and we're going to put 2 down on the paper. We're going to get some gold sequins and we're going to glue those down on the front. And there you have it. Celebrate the season. So I hope you liked the video and the card, and thanks for stopping by. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.